Good morning, kids. Welcome to New Era Global School online teaching class. Okay, so right now we have seen our school, right or not? We have seen our school infrastructure. Okay, so then after seeing our school infrastructure, let us begin our class. Okay, so first we will begin the class with a prayer. Okay, each and everyone, join your hands, close your eyes, and get ready for your prayer. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwara, Guru Shashat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri, Guruve Namah. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Okay, students, slowly open your eyes. So welcome to the today's session. So last week we have completed our chapter number 1, right? The chapter number 1 is food, our basic need. And today we will revise the chapter number 2, that is digestion and role of the microbes. Okay? Hope everyone will have this working revision sheet. Each and everyone take your revision sheet and get ready. Okay? We will start our revision class. So before going to our revision, we will see what is the things present in this chapter. So first of all, we are going to learn what are the types of teeth. Okay, what is the first one? What are all the types of the teeth? Then how many types of teeth are there? How we have to care our teeth. Okay, how we have to take care of our teeth. And third, we are going to learn about our important human digestive system. Okay, we are going to learn about the human digestive system. And fourth one, we are going to learn about some important type of the microbes. Okay, so these are all the 4 important things we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay, so first we will see about our teeth. So each and everyone, we have our beautiful teeth, right? So why we need the teeth? Because the teeth which help us to bite and chew our food. Okay, for chewing purposes, we need the teeth. So in the human digestive system, the teeth plays an vital role. Okay, so first we will see the sets of teeth. Okay, so there are 32 teeth were present there. Okay, these 32 teeth, they are called as a permanent teeth. Okay, the 32 teeth, they are called as a permanent teeth. So when the child, it enters into the 6 months. Okay, when the child, it enters into the 6 months, the first set of teeth will appear. Okay, the 6th month, the first set of teeth will appear. It is called as a milk tooth. What is that? It is called as a milk tooth. So there are 20 milk tooth are present there. How many milk tooth are there? There are 20 milk teeth are there. So when the child reaches the 6 years, okay, when the child reaches the 6 years, one by one the milk tooth will fall down and the permanent teeth will appear. Okay, so at the age of 13, okay, at the age of 13, mostly all the childs, they will have the 32 permanent teeth. Okay, students, I am repeating, listen here, chapter number 2, digestion and role of microbes. In the first topic, we are going to see about the teeth. The teeth plays an important role in our digest system. To bite the food and for chewing the food, we need these teeth. So totally 32 teeth were present there. So these 32 teeth, they are called as a permanent teeth. Okay, so when the baby comes to 6 months, the first set of tooth, it is called as a milk tooth will appear. So there are totally 20 milk tooths are there. When the child reaches the 6 years, okay, so one by one the milk tooth will fall down and the permanent teeth will appear. So by the end of 13 years, so the child will get the permanent teeth. Okay, so shall I draw a mind map for this one? Okay, just I am drawing the mind map. If you want to write in a fair book, you can write. So teeth. So there are two type of teeth are there. First one, it is called milk tooth. Okay. And second one, it is called as a permanent teeth. Okay. So how many milk tooths are there? 20 milk tooths are present there. So how many permanent teeth are there? There are 32 permanent teeth. So it's a short mind map for you. And next, we will move on to the next thing. It is called as a type of teeth. So what is the topic name? It is called as a types of teeth. So there are mainly 4 types of teeth are there. How many types are there? There are 4 types. So first one, it is called as an incisors. What is the first one? It is called as an incisor. Second one, it is called as a canines. Second one is said to be the canines. Third one, it is called as a premolar. And fourth one, it is called as a molar. Okay, how many teeth are there? There are 4 type of teeth: incisor, canines, premolar and molar. So let us see one by one. So how many incisors are there? So incisors are 4 in number. Okay, where they are present? 2 in the front teeth, 2 in front and on the either side of them. Okay. So what is its main function? The main function is cutting and chopping the food. Okay, for cutting the food and for chopping the food, we need the incisors. And then second one, canines. How many canines are there? Mainly there are 4 canines are there. So where they are present? They are present beside the incisors. So near beside the incisors, the canines will be present there. How it will be? It will be sharp and pointed. Okay, how it will be? Sharp and pointed. Why we are using this? Mainly for tearing the food. For tearing the food, these canines are very useful. And then come to the premolars. Premolars, they are 8 in number. Okay, how many teeth are there? Premolars, they are 8 in number. Where they are present? They are present next to 2 canines. Okay, what is its main function? Mainly for cutting and grinding the food. Okay, for cutting and grinding the food, we need the premolars. And next one, it is called as a molar. How many molars are there? So there are 12 in number. Okay. So where they are present? Next to premolars. Okay, next to premolars, the molars are present. What is its function? It is also for cutting and crushing the food. Understand, students? I am repeating again, listen. So there are 4 type of teeth are there. First one, it is called incisors. Second one, canines. Third one, premolars. Fourth one, molars. Okay. So incisors, they are 4 in number. Okay. Mainly 2 in the front side and 2 on the either side. Why we need these teeth? Mainly for cutting and chopping the food. And the next one is said to be the canines. They are 4 in number. Near the incisors they are present. They are very sharp and pointed. Mainly for tearing the food. Okay. And the third one premolars. So they are totally 8 in number. Present near the canines. Mainly for cutting and grinding the food. And then next one is said to be the molar. 12 in numbers, present near the premolars, mainly for cutting and crushing the food. Okay? So just you can draw the mind map for also this also. Okay? Just I am writing here. If you want to copy it, you can copy it. Okay, students? So types of the teeth. Write it here, types of teeth. Okay. First one is called as an incisors, 4 in number. Then second one is called as an canines. This is also 4 in number. Then premolars, third one, and they are 8 in number. Last one is said to be the molar and they are 12 in number. Okay. So can I rub the board now? Okay students. So this is said to be the types of the teeth. Okay. Next one we are going to learn about incisors 8 in number. Okay. I have written 4 in pairs. Okay, I have written 4 in pairs, but totally they are 12 in number. And now we will see the parts of the tooth. Okay, we are going to see about the parts of your tooth. Okay, students, incisors totally 8 in number, 4 in pairs. I have written 4 there. Don't ask me, ma'am, you have written wrong. I have written 4 in pairs. Okay. Now I am going to draw the diagram of the teeth. Okay. Let us first draw the diagram. Then we will see one by one here. Okay. So this one white part, it is called as an enamel. Under this one, it is called as a dentin. And this one is said to be the pulp. And this one, it is said to be the gum. Okay, wait students, I am first drawing. Okay, now listen here. I have drawn the diagram for the parts of the teeth. Okay, so there are mainly 4 parts are there. First one is called as an enamel. Second one is called as an dentin. Third one is called as a pulp. And fourth one, it is called as a gum. Okay, so mainly this part, the outer part, we call them as a crown. So the part, there are 2 types of there. First one is called as a crown and second one is called as a root part. Okay. So what are all the things visible? They are called as a crown. And which are present under the crown, it is called as a root. Okay. So the outer part, it is called as an enamel. Okay. Can you able to see this part? It is called as an enamel. It is the hardest part in our teeth. And then second one, it is called as a dentin. So below the enamel, this black color you can able to see, it is called as a dentin. Okay, and it is the enamel is the hardest part and dentin it is the largest part. Okay, enamel is the hardest part of our teeth and dentin is the largest part of our teeth. So under the dentin, you can able to see the innermost part. It is called as a pulp. Okay, it is called as an innermost part. It is called as a pulp. And so the pulp is very smooth and it is having the blood vessels. It contains the blood vessels. So this is the part of the tooth. Okay students. And then we will see about how we can take care of our teeth. Okay, what is the next part? It is said to be how we can able to take care of the teeth. Okay, take care of teeth. So you know the teeth plays a vital role. Okay, so we have to take care of the teeth with the proper manner. Okay, so first one, we have to rinse after you taking the food. You have to wash your mouth before the meals and also after the meals. And second one, you have to brush your teeth twice a day. Morning also you have to brush your teeth and night also you have to brush your teeth. And the next one, you have to take the food rich in calcium. Okay, calcium food you have to take very more. And then avoid eating the food with a lot of sugar candies. Okay? So these 4 ways we have to follow to take care of our teeth. So let me stop up to this and we will complete the revision sheet of today's topic. So each and everyone hope you will be having a revision sheet. Now take your revision sheet. We will fill the today's topic. Okay? Slowly we can go here. Can you able to see the second chapter? That is digestion and role of microbes. Today's topic only we can discuss now. Okay? See the first one. What is the first one? Right, true or false. Okay? The first one is right, true or false. Okay students. So see the first one. There are 3 sets of teeth in human beings. So there are 2 sets only. So the answer is said to be false. Mark it in your revision sheet. Next one. Temporary teeth are called as milk teeth. Yes, obviously you know the temporary teeth is called as a milk teeth. So the statement is said to be true. Third one. There are 7 incisors in all. So how many incisors are there? There are 8 incisors. So the statement is said to be false. Fourth one. Premolars help to crush the food and chew it. So you know premolars are useful for crushing the food. No, it is for cutting the food. So the statement is said to be false. Fifth one. The white part on the outer tooth is called as an pulp. So which is the outermost part? It is called as an enamel. But here it is given as a pulp. So the statement is said to be false. Okay, mark it in your. Next come to the give 2 examples for the following. Okay. What is the next one? Give 2 examples for the following. Okay, what is the first one? Food for strong teeth. So we have to take more amount of calcium to maintain your teeth stronger. You have to take calcium and milk. Second one, diseases caused by virus. So just I am writing the answer. Tomorrow we will discuss about this. So what are the things desired by the virus? Give me the examples of virus. Common cold. Okay, common cold and influenza. And then third one, come to the third one. Diseases caused by bacteria. So it is said to be the typhoid and cholera. Okay. And then fourth one. Diseases caused by fungi. So it is said to be athlete's foot and ringworm. Okay. And then fifth one. Diseases caused by protozoa. So protozoa, it is called dysentery and malaria. Okay students, write these answers here. Calcium milk, common cold influenza, typhoid and cholera, athlete's foot ringworm. Okay, just write it in your revision sheet. And then come to the next one. Match the following. Third one is said to be match the following. First one is said to be canines. Second one is said to be the pulp. Third one is said to be virus. Fourth one is said to be the protozoa. Fifth one is said to be the bacteria. Okay students, can we write the answers now? What is the first one? Canines. Canines, it is used for tearing the food. So mark the answer. Canines are tearing the food. And then pulp. Pulp, it contains blood vessels and nerves. Okay. Third one, virus. So virus, it is said to be, give an example for the virus. It is said to be, okay, wait. Then protozoa का example, it is said to be malaria. Okay. And virus का example, it is said to be polio. And bacteria, it is called as an cholera. Okay, bacteria, it is said to be cholera. Just mark the answer students. Okay. And then fourth one. Okay, let's 4, 5 and logical question we will discuss tomorrow. Come to the page number 9. In page number 9, you can able to see this one. Okay, can able to see this one. This is the homework for you. Let's recall and complete the given below. This is the homework for you. Okay students, hope everyone will do this homework. So next we will continue in the next class. Okay students, complete your revision sheet properly. Then during next checking we will be asking this revision sheet. Okay, see you tomorrow students.